Hello, I am Saad Ahmad and today I will teach you the best noodles recipe. Noodles are a favorite food for many people around the world. They're versatile, delicious, and easy to make. Today, I'm going to show you the best recipe for making noodles that you can enjoy at home. To make noodles, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of water. You'll also need a rolling pin, a knife, and a large pot of boiling water. To begin, mix the flour and salt in a large mixing bowl. Slowly add the water, stirring with a fork until a dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. After the dough has rested, dust a clean surface with flour and roll out the dough to your desired thickness. Next, use a knife to cut the noodles into your desired shape and size. You can make them thin or thick, long or short, depending on your preference. Once you've cut the noodles, drop them into a large pot of boiling water. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they're tender. Drain the noodles in a colander and rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process. Finally, serve your delicious homemade noodles with your favorite sauce or topping. And there you have it, the best recipe for making noodles at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one.